Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Japanese in 15 minutes. Everyday words and sentences. Easy lesson. What if? In the next 15 minutes, you could start understanding Japanese. Not just as sounds, but as real meaning. Stay with me, because by the end of this lesson, you will be able to greet people, introduce yourself, and form simple, everyday sentences in Japanese. Let's begin. First, greetings. Konnichiwa, which in English means hello. Ohayou gozaimasu, which in English means good morning. Konbanwa, which in English means good evening. Now, let's practice. Konnichiwa, which in English means hello. Next, introducing yourself. Watashi wa, which in English means I am. Namae wa, which in English means name is. Desu, which in English means is. Put it together. Watashi wa Alex desu, which in English means I am Alex. Asking someone's name. Onamae wa nan desu ka? Which in English means what is your name? Polite words. Arigatou gozaimasu, which in English means thank you. Sumimasen, which in English means excuse me. Hai, which in English means yes. Iie, which in English means no. Everyday questions. O genki desu ka? Which in English means how are you? Responses. Genki desu, which in English means I am fine. Talking about origin. Doko kara kimashita ka? Which in English means where are you from? Watashi wa Philippine kara kimashita, which in English means I am from the Philippines. Daily actions. Tabemasu, which in English means I eat. Nomimasu, which in English means I drink. Ikimasu, which in English means I go. Examples. Pan o tabemasu, which in English means I eat bread. Mizu o nomimasu, which in English means I drink water. Ie ni ikimasu, which in English means I go home. Let's practice a conversation. Konnichiwa, which in English means hello. Watashi wa Sara desu, which in English means I am Sarah. Onamae wa nan desu ka? Which in English means what is your name? You respond. Watashi wa Mark desu, which in English means I am Mark. O genki desu ka? Which in English means how are you? They reply. Genki desu, which in English means I am fine. Arigatou gozaimasu, which in English means thank you. Before we finish, quick review. Konnichiwa, which in English means hello. Watashi wa, which in English means I am. Onamae wa nan desu ka? Which in English means what is your name? O genki desu ka? Which in English means how are you? Arigatou gozaimasu, which in English means thank you. You are now speaking real Japanese. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep going. See you in the next lesson. Sayonara, which in English means goodbye.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.